In 2016, PICA Manufacturing Solutions acquired Neltec, a small in-house assembly shop that mostly supported its own internal production. Our vision wasn't just to grow, it was to specialize, particularly in flex circuit assembly, building on PICA's deep experience in flexible interconnects. So, the first step? We built a front-end engineering team dedicated to reviewing customer data and translating complex requirements into clear, reliable manufacturing instructions. Next, we invested in equipment, not just to expand, but to ensure excellence. We upgraded the entire SMT line with precision tools, jetter solder dispensing, high-accuracy stencil printing, advanced pick-and-place systems, and tunnel reflow ovens to ensure consistent thermal profiles. To maintain quality at every stage, we added a full suite of inspection tools, including X-ray for hidden solder joints, automated optical inspection for real-time visual checks, and precision measurement systems for process validation. We also introduced conformal coating, a critical step for protecting assemblies in tough environments. We redesigned our quality system from the ground up, introducing robust documentation, traceability, and process control. Today, what began as a small internal shop is now a modern contract manufacturing facility, serving OEMs across North America with advanced capabilities in both PCB and flex circuit assembly. We offer the quality, flexibility, and responsiveness that PICA is known for. This is the story of transformation. This is PICA New Hampshire.